Hey, the mountain starts me up. Hey, you gotta watch Away Wrestling. It's unbelievable. I caught it the other day. Check it out. Away Wrestling. Don't forget, Away Wrestling.
This is WWE legend Tatanka. Make sure that you watch Gone Away Wrestling. How true that is.
Listen. Yeah, you know it's time for revolution. I give you proper execution. Cause you're a broken institution.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Gone Away Wrestling here, back with another video. And this is going to be a special video where I'm going to be unboxing a replica championship belt, which I purchased from WWEshop.com earlier this week. This is a special video for me because in this box is a belt that I've been wanting to get for a long time but never could because things kept on coming up. Expenses kept on coming up, and I never had the chance. I'm going to explain why the belt in this box is so special to me after I'm done unboxing it, because that's what this video is. It's an unboxing of the WWE Undisputed Championship. And I'm going to explain why this belt is so special to me as soon as I'm done unboxing it and showing you its details, which I know most of you have probably already seen it, but I still want to show it to you guys because this belt is so special to me for several reasons, but I'm going to name one reason before I go to the next. It's because this is my very first full-on replica championship belt. I've had two commemoratives. I've had the Cruiserweight Championship from 2002 to 2003, and the United States title from 2002 to 2003. This was years ago, and I've since sold them about 5-6 years ago. You know, most people started watching wrestling when they were kids, like ages 10 or younger, like 9 years old. Not me. I started watching wrestling when I was 14 years old. I was a teenager when I started watching, so the championships that are part of my time as a fan are belts like the 2002 Cruiserweight, the United States, the WWE Undisputed Championship held by the likes of Brock Lesnar, Kurt Angle, Eddie Guerrero, and Undertaker. American Badass Undertaker, mind you. So, anyway, let's get on with the video, and let's get started with the unboxing. Let's get it on. Alright, so like you see, here's the box that contains the WWE Undisputed Championship. I got here my knife, so let's get started with the unboxing. Just gonna carefully put it like there, on the sides. And my knife needs to get sharpened. To be fair, it's been quite a while since I've used my knife. So, I guess it really does need to get sharpened. Oh well. So just put this in my pocket. Wow. Looks like they've really packed this thing well. Wow. I've seen in other videos that they usually have these papers up here, but this time they actually had the belt in the bubble wrap and put these like in the belt, wrapped like this. I mean, it's not a bad way to pack it, but hey, it's in bubble wrap, so I'm not gonna complain. Get out of here. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Oh, wow. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Okay. Back packing order, the packing slip. That's over there. Bubble wrap. Probably gonna give that to my sister. She's crazy about bubble wrap. More paper. And of course, the box goes over there. Now, let's get this belt out of the paper. Oh, that's silicone. Thought there was something else in that bag. But yeah, I'm loving the way they're doing the bags now. Like a polyester type of thing of material. Now I'm not sure if that's polyester. You're gonna have to correct me on that. I'm not very good with, clothing material or fabric material, so I'm sorry if I got that wrong. All I know is it's nice. Let's open this. Oh, wow. Let me just put this replica right there. Paper off. Oh my God. This thing looks so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. This belt is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm just in awe, but this belt is bringing back so many memories. My God. I mean, look at it. Look at how beautiful that belt looks. Beautifully detailed. Again, this is metal. This is the replica. No redone plastic or nothing. It just looks so beautiful. I'm speechless. Oh my God. Wow. This is definitely a moment I will always remember as a fan, because I love this belt. I absolutely love it. And for this to be my first replica championship belt, in a way, you can't go wrong with that. You really can't. Well, let's take a look at the back. Just take the there's the back. I don't want to lay it on the table because I don't want to scratch or damage the plates too badly. But look at that. Very nice leather. Very, very nice. There's a WWE logo with the usual official WWE Authentic Replica Championship title. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is great. This is great. Okay guys, so that was the unboxing of my very first WWE Replica Championship title. And it is none other than the WWE Undisputed Championship from 2002 to 2005. I'm very proud to have this in my collection now. And now, I recently got the itch to collect figures. Now, I've got the itch to collect championship belts that I want. That's how it is. Anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at my video. Really do appreciate you guys. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, wash them hands, and practice social distancing. This is All Gone Away Wrestling, signing out. Take care, guys.